Right here in Lecanto, something big is taking shape. The shops at Black Diamond are entering Phase 2, and it's transforming this intersection into one of the fastest-growing retail hubs in Citrus County. With completion expected in 2026, this next wave of development is bringing in names you've probably been waiting for. Sprouts Farmers Market, Planet Fitness, Ulta Beauty, Five Below, and more still to come. This is all part of the second wave, building off what's already here with Target and Aldi, and the progress we're seeing right now with BJ's Wholesale Club and Dutch Bro is coming to life. For a lot of people, this kind of growth brings excitement. For others, it raises questions. More shopping, more convenience, more jobs, but also more traffic, more change, and a new look for an area many have watched grow for years. The County Road 491 and 486 corridor is quickly becoming a central point for the community. And this project is a big part of that future. Whether you've been here for decades or you're just arriving, this is one of those moments where you can actually see the future being built right in front of you. So what do you think?